As Hawaii prepares to reopen tourism in August, COVID-19 infection rates at some mainland states are surging. Experts say additional preventative measures are needed to keep Hawaii as a safe destination. Manolo Morales reports.
Experts say Hawaii's tourism has to reopen or Hawaii's economy might not be able to recover. Now, a lot can happen in the next few weeks, but a surge in mainland cases will likely lead to a spike here in Hawaii, and the state needs to be ready. The UH Economic Research Organization released a study that says by pre-testing incoming passengers and other measures such as thermal screening at the airports when they arrive, 80 to 90% of infected travelers will be prevented from coming here.
That still means that 10 to 20% of COVID-positive people who buy air tickets are going to proceed on to Hawaii.
Starting August 1st, out-of-state travelers who choose not to get tested will have to be quarantined for 14 days. LaCroix says it's important for the state to discourage that option more than ever.
I just think most of the people choosing the quarantine are going to be people who intend to break the quarantine. It has to be that people look at what quarantine is like and decide, no, that quarantine is going to be strictly enforced.
LaCroix adds that the state might need to designate some hotels or at least certain wings of hotels for those under quarantine. He says airlines and hotels should also launch an educational campaign for visitors.
While they're here, telling them that they need to be using masks in public places. We should be requiring mask usage in public places. You can still have a good vacation wearing a mask and social distancing.
For added safety measures, state lawmakers are providing $90 million to Hawaii's main airports to help prevent the spread of the virus. That will provide thermal screening cameras at all the gates, more staffing, and raise the testing capacity from 3,000 per day up to 15,000 per day. More technology like contact tracing apps will also be used.
Not just track that person and all their contacts, but really see who else may be infected because of them.
Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.